The FTX app, formerly Blockfolio, is the easiest and the fastest way to buy Bitcoin, Ethereum, Doge, and more with zero fees. It is trusted by over 6 million people to buy, sell, and track their favorite cryptocurrencies. FTX is a mobile iOS app that allows users to link multiple financial institutions so that they can view their account balances and transactions all from one place without the hassle of switching between multiple desktop or mobile banking apps. The goal of FTX is to become your future banking portfolio. Hello everyone, this is HelpTech and we are back with another video. In this video, I'll be guiding you through the steps of downloading FTX app on your mobile phone and creating a new account. So let's get started. First of all, tap on the App Store if you are an iOS user or Play Store if you are an Android user. The next thing that you need to do is tap on the search icon that can be seen at the bottom right corner of your screen. On the search bar, type FTX. To install the app, tap on Get. You'll be able to see many apps. Tap on the app that says FTX, formerly Blockfolio, and tap on Get. After the app has been downloaded, tap on Open. Then tap on Start Investing. When asked to create your username, type in your username and then tap on Next. You'll then be asked for a referral code. Since this is optional, I am going to skip this part and then tap on Next. Now enter your email address and again tap on Next. Now create a secure password. Password should be of at least 8 characters and must contain at least 1 letter and 1 number. Finally, tap on Register. Now you'll be asked to open the email app. In order to confirm your email address, tap on the option that says Open Email App. You'll be able to see the email that has been sent by FTX app. Tap on the email and then tap on Confirm to confirm your email address. My email address has been finally verified. Now you need to select your region. If you are resident of United States, then tap on United States resident. If not, tap on non-United States resident. I'm going to tap on the second option. Read the terms of service and privacy policy and check on I agree box and then tap on Next. In order to verify your identity, you'll be asked for your full name, date of birth, home address, and phone number. Tap on Let's Go in order to verify your identity. Enter your legal first name, last name, and date of birth and then tap on Next. Fill in all the information that is required by the app in order to create your account, and then you'll finally be able to create an FTX account and access it using your mobile phone. So this is how you create your FTX account. I hope this video was helpful for you guys. If you like this video, make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel HelpTech. We'll be back with more such videos. Until then, have a great time. Bye-bye.